By the end of this video, you're going to know what is zvinoshandei zvese zviri 1 2 3 4 5. So keep watching up until the end, right? So this is called an AC protection system, right? So this is a breaker, this is a voltage monitoring relay, or AVS or AVP. This is another breaker, this is another AVS, and this is a changeover breaker. So this breaker will limit against overcurrent. So this is rated 16 amp, which means current for a 16 amp. This breaker is going to trip off, right? So we are using this breaker as output breaker, and this voltage monitoring relay will protect my house gadgets against over voltage, under voltage, and even over current and under current as well, right? And this breaker functions the same as this one. So this is going to limit my current to 20 amps. This is being used as input breaker, ZESA input, as you can see written from Solar App, right? Then this AVS is now AVS in, or voltage monitoring relay in, right? So this is going to monitor my ZESA input, and is going to protect against over voltage, under voltage, and over protection, over current and under current. Okay, right? And lastly, this is my AC changeover switch. So this is going to make sure that I am able to change from ZESA to inverter power. So this is ZESA and inverter power.